Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvia. Okay guys, so today I'm going to share my daily products, like the products which I use on daily to daily basis on my skin. Like from morning I wake up till night I go to bed. I have all the products today in my video. I'll share. It's simple, natural and like कुछ भी extra मसाला नहीं मिलाया है. This is really fact which I use daily and I have started using all these products like skin care routine बोलते हैं उसको. I've started since last 1 or 2 years and it is really effective. So if you guys are planning to start, just go and start. It is really effective. I won't waste a lot of time. Without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, first thing when I wake up, I use is this Gulabari rose water and it is wonders for me. It does wonders for me. And I go Zumba, so before going Zumba I use this and I don't wash my face. I just love it. Is a spray bottle and the smell is amazing. The price is, you may feel little high, that is 75 rupees for this bottle, but when you spray बहुत कम आता है and मैं twice a day ये use करती हूँ and it lasts for 2-3 months and it is worth using this product and I just love this. It is really amazing. Try it. Like, it works for my skin. It makes me look fresh and little fair. So after coming from Zumba I go for bath, and for bath I use this Dove body wash, which is right now I'm using this green one. I use blue one or I use that granules one. Totally depends on what I want to, but definitely I use Dove for my body. And even Dove soap sometimes I use. So it totally depends which is there at my home or which I want to buy, but that's for sure I'll use Dove. That's it. And for face I'll be using this right now. Currently I'm obsessed with this Mamaearth turmeric and saffron Upton face wash. It is amazing. It literally does wonders. Like, everything is nice, but I love this face wash the most. So that's the next thing I use. Okay, after taking bath I have to go outside or something or the other thing. So next thing I do is I apply this aloe vera gel on my face. This is the first thing I do before wearing even clothes. I apply body lotion on my hands and legs. That is, I use Dove for this again. So I use this essential nourishment. It's pretty well. Like, ये खत्म ही नहीं होता, इतना बड़ा डब्बा है यार. I don't understand why it is not getting empty. Like, बहुत सालों से, like, it has been 1 year, more than 1 year, and ये खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. मैं रोज सुबह लगाती हूँ on my hands and legs. So it's really amazing. It's a magic dabba, I feel. And this aloe vera gel, I have purchased this from one of the fair in Surat. So this is really amazing. It says that it is natural and it is made by a person. It is homemade and they say that it is natural, and yes, when I apply on my face I feel it is natural and I just love this. I'm never going to, like, I think I'm not going to replace any other aloe vera gel with this dabba, with this box. This is really amazing, and if you want to buy I'll put that number in the description box. And it's even affordable. Obviously natural plus affordable. इससे great deal कहाँ मिलेगी? So I take this and I am using, even my dad use this daily. We have 2 boxes, one for me and one for my dad. We both use this daily aloe vera gel. Okay, next comes to makeup. For makeup I use, see, it totally depends on me. Like, if I want to have a long lasting makeup I'll use this Lakme 925 daily. Not daily, like, not daily, but like if I have meetings or if I have something special and I don't want to go on heavy makeup, I'll use this 925 Lakme cream, like when I'm shooting. Okay, after applying aloe vera gel, if I am going out I'll apply sunscreen, and I use this sunscreen. It's pretty well. I like this, and this is Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50. And this sunscreen is nice. I'm using this since ages, I don't even remember, so it's nice. I use this. After applying this sunscreen I go for compact, which is Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless and with the shade 110. And yes, it is really good. I just love this compact. This is how it is opened. and the sponge is inside this. I just love this. It gives a good coverage. For daily go we can use this. It gives good coverage. And yes, one thing, I'll put the rates on the screen somewhere of all the products, so you may get idea of that. But this is my current favorite. I'm using this daily and it's really nice. Now let's come to kajal. Kajal I hardly apply. I don't like kajal. Like before, like in school days and college days, I used to apply daily. But now I don't know. I don't like to apply kajal much. So I use liner, that is sketch pen liner. If you guys are following me since long time, you must be knowing about this. And I have a video also in this. So I'll put the video of this sketch pen liner in the description box. Don't forget to watch this after watching this video. Okay, so this is Revlon sketch pen liner, which is almost black with a normal tip, and it is really easy to apply and it goes really smooth and time ज़्यादा नहीं लेता है liner लगाने में. So I use this. My main reason is this कि इसमें time नहीं लगता है. 2 मिनट भी नहीं, like 30 seconds में हो जाता है. और obviously सुबह I am in a hurry, so I just go with this and it's really nice. Okay, now for lips I use lipstick, and for lipsticks I have this 3 options. This 2 is Lakme Absolute Matte. This 2 are Lakme Absolute. This is Red Flames, which is in red color, and this is pink, which is Le Fuchsia. And I just love both of the shades, and depends on my mood I apply. And this is nude. How can you have no nude lipstick in your dressing table? So this is from Maybelline New York and it is really nice, and the shade number is 210 Versatile, and it's amazing. I just love this, all this 3 lipstick. Yes, I have many more lipsticks, but on my daily basis I use any one from this 3 only. Yes. Now let's come to this eyebrow pencil. Yes, I am in love with this eyebrow pencil. I almost apply every day, and yes, it is working pretty well. It totally depends on you. And this eyebrow pencil I use is of Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil, dark brown. The main thing is that you have brush about this, and it is really brown in color, because black वाला अच्छा नहीं लगता है, brown natural लगता है. That's why I take this. Now next thing I apply is this Dove roll-on on my underarms. इससे ना smell नहीं होता है पूरा दिन. I can bet on that, guarantee. Like मैं आँख बंद करके इस पे विश्वास कर सकती हूँ. You can also try this. It really works. And Dove roll-on इससे underarms black भी नहीं होते हैं. Trust me on this. I have a complete video of this. You can have a look after watching this video. Link in the description box. Okay, ये अच्छा है. I use this daily, whether it is winter, rainy, monsoon, whether it is winter, summer or monsoon, I use this daily, and I get really low confident if I am not using this, so it's really important for me. Okay, that was all for morning, and at the evening when I return home, again I use this face wash, that is, as I said, Mamaearth Upton face wash. इसका भी वीडियो है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में. फिर ये फेस वॉश यूज़ करने के बाद I do nothing, like literally nothing, and at night I take a shower. So that for that I use this shower gel. It's like कि मैं रात को shower gel के लिए ये ही लेती हूँ. It's like that because I just love this shower gel, and I don't feel like using this in the morning. But yes, definitely I feel to use this at evening or night when I am taking bath. But this is amazing, and इसमें purple वाला bottle ही I take because I love this, and I have almost finished a lot of bottles. I must be having a lot of empty bottles of this. This is of Nivea shower gel, water, lily and oil, and I just love the smell of this. Plus it is really nice. See this also, this is almost finished, I guess. थोड़ा सा है. Okay, next thing at night, before sleeping, I have a skincare routine, and I use this Gulabari again. So I just keep on repeating products. So इससे ना नए products buy नहीं करने पड़ते और सस्ते में हो जाता है. Okay, so after that, in case I have to remove makeup, that is twice or thrice a week. So for that I use this Garnier Micellar water, which is water based, not oil based. I use this sometimes, and if I am bored, really bored, then I use this Color Bar ke wipes. It is really easy. I just have to wipe it off and my makeup is removed. And अगर मुझे मेरा स्किन ड्राई लग रहा है, I use this Vaseline and I am in love with this Vaseline. Vaseline मैं मेरे पर्स में रखती हूँ, so I don't know, I'm obsessed with this Vaseline. Sometimes I remove makeup with this, especially when I apply mascara or kajal. I make sure I'll remove mascara and kajal with Vaseline only, because इससे easy भी हो जाता है और moisturize भी हो जाता है और break भी नहीं होता है eyelashes. So I use this Vaseline. Okay, after removing makeup, I make sure I apply a lip balm. Sometimes I apply Vaseline itself, but अभी ना ये brand से मिला था मुझे ये lip balm and it's really nice. It's a strawberry lip balm and it's working pretty well. So currently I'm using this, but if I don't have this, then I'm surely not gonna buy this again. I'm going back to Vaseline, and Vaseline works good for me. उसके बाद for night moisturizing, I use this Nivea, and this Nivea is really amazing. Like इससे ना I feel मुझे नशा चढ़ता है. I just love the smell of this, and I don't know, but I just love the smell of this. I apply this all over my face, hands and my feet, and I just go off to sleep. That's all the products I use in my daily life, and in that one day. So if you want to start anything using from this, then it's really amazing. It's like good to take care of your own skin. It may make you feel confident, as well as may make you feel love your own self. Yeah, that was all for today. I hope you like my video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye. See you in next video. Please join my YouTube family.